Hi, this is unboxing of Insta360 Go 3. Let's have a look what we got. Let's see what's in. Oh, I like that sound. Yeah, that's the camera. Got in, got this. Got another box. Let's put this on the side. Have a look what we got here. You get your charger. What's the other side? You got your troll switch. And this is the angle adjustment. So you adjust it like up and down. Warranty card, some stickers, got safety, you got this. Let's put that on the side. Let's bring this bad boy in. Start from here. This is where you can put your cup in, your hoodies. This goes behind your t-shirt, your hoodies, your everything. That's where the camera goes. Your stand. That's you. And that's it. That's all what you got in. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and I see you again.